As we have seen in the previous video, that hydrocarbon are the compounds which have the carbon and hydrogen into it. So hydrocarbon is again being divided into two depending upon the bonds which are present in the carbon atom, between the carbon atom and between the carbon and hydrogen. So they are categorized as saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbon. So this categorization is depending upon the bond. ठीक है, किस पे categorize किया है? Depending upon the type of bond. ठीक है, किस type का bond है? ठीक है, depending upon the type of bond, the type of covalent bond. I must say type of covalent bond. ठीक है, covalent, the type of covalent bond. Okay, so depending upon the type of covalent bond that have been divided into saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbon. Like I have mentioned, the saturated hydrocarbons are the hydrocarbons which have the single or the one covalent bond between the carbon carbon and the carbon and hydrogen. मतलब कार्बन कार्बन में भी सिंगल बॉन्ड होगा और कार्बन हाइड्रोजन में भी सिंगल बॉन्ड होगा. ठीक है, सो द कंपाउंड्स व्हिच आर फॉर्म्ड बाय द शेयरिंग ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन between the carbon and hydrogen as well as the carbon and carbon, these were known as the saturated hydrocarbon. So generally they are called as alkanes. ठीक है, इनको क्या बोला जाता है? alkane. So here you can see this is the hydrocarbon which have formed the bond carbon and carbon. So here this carbon is forming the bond with another carbon. This is the first bond which is formed, first covalent bond. So now how many covalent bond this carbon atom will form again? So the other valency of this carbon atom is being filled by the hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen and hydrogen. Similarly hydrogen and hydrogen. So this is two carbon atoms that are being shared. इसी तरह से ये अल्केन में एक ऐसा भी हो सकता है, this single carbon is there and it can have all the four valencies that is being fulfilled by the four hydrogen atom. Similarly, if I talk about the unsaturated hydrocarbon, as I said, these are the saturated hydrocarbon which have only one or the single covalent bond between the carbon and the hydrogen and the carbon and the carbon. Similarly, if we talk about the unsaturated hydrocarbon have the double or the triple covalent bond between the carbon and the hydrogen. Okay, so between the carbon they have the double or the triple covalent bond, and between the hydrogen and the carbon they have the single covalent bond. So let us have a look at this. They have normally been categorized as alkenes when they have the carbon carbon double bond. जब कार्बन कार्बन में डबल बॉन्ड होता है तो उसको बोला जाता है अल्कीन, और जब कार्बन कार्बन में ट्रिपल बॉन्ड होता है तो उसको बोला जाता है अल्काइंस. ओके, सो just remember the name alkene and alkynes. We have this in much detail in the next episode. So we will just look at this कि alkene में क्या होता है. ये देखिए दो कार्बन एक दूसरे से डबल बॉन्ड से ज्वाइन है. So this is the first bond, this is the second bond, these are the two covalent bond. So now this carbon is able to form the two more bonds. So इसके ये तीसरा और ये चौथा होगा, उसी तरह से इसका भी ये थर्ड एंड फोर्थ होगा. ठीक है, so this would be successfully filled by the relative hydrogen atom. So this is what, these are the two carbon which are joined together with the help of this double bond, and then this relative valencies is being supported by or the filled by the hydrogen. So here you can see the carbon carbon double bond, मतलब कार्बन कार्बन में either double bond हो सकता है या ट्रिपल बॉन्ड हो सकता है. तो यहाँ पे पहली जो कंडीशन उसने फुलफिल किया, यहाँ पे सेकंड डबल बॉन्ड है. ठीक है, two bonds are there and the other valencies is being filled by the single covalent bond between the carbon and hydrogen. So here single covalent bond between the carbon and hydrogen that is present. In the similarly in the alkynes, so what it would be there, carbon carbon triple bond is there, first bond, second bond and third bond. So ये तीन बॉन्ड हो गए. तो इन दोनों कार्बन को कितनी कितनी वैलेंसी फुलफिल करना है? सिंगल वैलेंसी फुलफिल करना है. तो इट वुड बी फुलफिल्ड बाय द सिंगल हाइड्रोजन हियर and single hydrogen here. So these are again the covalent bond. So the carbon in between the carbon, when there are three covalent bond that are present, these are known as alkynes. So we have seen that the hydrocarbon are being divided depending upon the type of bond which they share among themselves, as the saturated hydrocarbon, which have the single covalent bond between the carbon and the hydrogen as well as the carbon-carbon. But whereas in the unsaturated hydrocarbon are the hydrocarbon which have the double or the triple covalent bond between the carbon and the carbon, which they are there, and there is single covalent bond that exists between the carbon and the hydrogen. So that's it from this video. We would see what are the different categories of the hydrocarbon depending upon the structure in the next video.